A for apple. Apple means save. B for ball. Ball means gend. C for cat. Cat means billy. D for dog. Dog means kutta. E for elephant. Elephant means hathi. F for fish. Fish means machli. G for goat. Goat means bakri. H for horse. Horse means ghoda. I for ice cream. Ice cream means ice cream. J for juice. Juice means juice. K for kite. Kite means patang. L for lion. Lion means sher. M for monkey. Monkey means bandar. N for nest. Nest means ghosla. O for orange. Orange means santra. P for parrot. Parrot means tota. Q for queen. Queen means rani. R for rose. Rose means gulab. S for ship. Ship means jahaj. T for tiger. Tiger means bag. U for umbrella. Umbrella means chhata. V for van. Van means van. W for wolf. Wolf means bhediya. X for Xmas tree. Xmas tree means Xmas tree. Y for yak. Yak means yak. Z for zebra. Zebra means zebra. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100.